yeah, before coming to Bangladesh, I was running to myself, how am I gonna order food? Especially if the country goes into a lockdown or I have to self-isolate. I was thinking to myself, do they have Uber Eats? Do they have Deliveroo or anything like that? And I searched online, they didn't have it. But as I was coming here, I met a few people on the plane, and inside the airport there was one company that they kept recommending, and the food company is called FoodPanda. And if you ever come to Dhaka, you literally see FoodPanda delivery guys just riding around all day. Yeah, there's a lot of them around Dhaka, and you won't miss them. And I imagine they're like the most popular delivery service here in Dhaka. So I thought, let me make a video about it and share my experience with them. And right now I'm in my Airbnb. There's quite a few workers downstairs, and I thought, you know what, let me order some food from a restaurant that I really like using FoodPanda, and I'll call some of the workers downstairs to come and eat with me, I suppose. So yeah, let me just show you how to use the app as well. It's all pretty easy. Let's do that. Let's get in the app. So right now I'm inside the FoodPanda app. I'll show you how to use it. Let me quickly order something. I actually have a favorite restaurant. I'll show you it. It's this one here. New Red Honey. New Red Honey restaurant. Let me see what I have available. The naan breads, they're really nice here. So I'll order one of each. Or maybe let's make it two of each, because I think there'll be 5 workers that'll be joining me, so let it be enough food for everyone. What else to order? Grilled chicken, nice as well. Chicken tandoori, nice. Order some of that. Some curry, let's order one. Plain rice, maybe let's order two plain rice and 2 curries. And what else did I have? Let me just check. Maybe I can order one more thing. Let me see. I don't know what this is. Luchi. Let's order one. And roti. Let's order 2. So I think that should be enough for everyone to feed on, including me. So that's at 15 items, and the 15 items comes up to 434 Dhaka, which is at £4. And the good thing about this app as well, you can apply vouchers. I have a voucher. I think it's called Fist 45. That's what it's called. Yep. There is. Apply, and it takes away 45 Dhaka away from your total. So the total now is 389 Dhaka. Again, for the amounts of food that I'm about to buy, it's worth it. So yeah, to order food here is really easy, really quick and simple. It's going to take 15 minutes to get here, so yeah, check out. My address is all there, it's all set up. My card, payment's already there. Place order. So all of that came up to £3.41p. and you're gonna see the amount of food they're about to deliver. It's insane. Yeah, it's gonna take 20 minutes to get here, so I'll wait. So yeah, ordered the food. It came up to £3.41p, and the amount of food I'm about to buy, it's gonna blow your mind. Trust me, there's quite a lot. It's gonna feed 6 people, I think. I think 6 people or 5 people gonna join me. So it's gonna be worth it. Let me go downstairs, call some of the guys to come up here, and we can all eat together. Let's go. 2 weeks.
3 weeks?
Two. Yeah, but I'm gonna be here for 3 months. Let's go. I don't mind. I'm free. Christian, yeah? Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. It's paid, yeah? Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. So as you can see, the food has arrived and there's quite a lot of food to be eaten. And imagine all of that cost less than £4, £3.41p, something like that, which is priceless, I'll say. And I imagine this food can probably feed maybe 10 people. So let's dig in.
Hello, my name is Shobus.
No, you can speak Bengali. It's fine.
This is Bengali.
You can speak, okay. And
Fine.
your name?
Mayalism. Some Mayalis. This is Bengali.
And say something in Bengali. Say something in Bengali. No. Tell him to say something in Bengali. You can say it. You can talk. You can say anything.
Okay,
Oh, wait, he can say where he works, what's his job role. Oh.
Nice. Okay. খাওয়া দাওয়া অনেক ভালো হয়েছে।
Okay, thank you. And what's your name?
Name is Shalom.
Shalom. Okay.
Wonderful.
Wonderful, yeah?
Wonderful.
Thank you, brother.
Yes.
Thank you. And there you have it. The food is pretty much finished. Again, they want to go downstairs, give it to the rest of the other people. And what's your name?
It was really nice. I'm Masmin.
Mazvin. And what do you do here? What's your job role?
I actually work as a sales executive at Mati Properties.
Oh, nice. Say it louder. Monty Properties.
Mati Properties!
Yes.
Is it loud enough?
I hope so. Thank you to all of them once more. I think they all enjoy the food. Again, the price is really decent for that amount of food. Can't complain. That restaurant there is probably my favorite restaurant to order here in Dhaka. Especially the chicken tandoori and the naan bread. You can't beat it, it's amazing. And for the price, again, you can't go wrong with it. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one. As I was walking down the street, I saw 2 guys that work for FoodPanda, and they've been kind enough to actually allow me to speak to them and ask them a few questions about working for FoodPanda. Hello brother, what's your name?
My name is Ronnie.
And your name?
My name is Limon.
Limon. And you both work for FoodPanda.
FoodPanda.
And now you're waiting for orders?
Now we have delivery to the food.
You delivered food already?
Delivery food.
So now you are waiting?
Waiting
Okay.
for coming order.
And what time do you start work?
I'm obviously work to 8 hours.
You work 8 hours per day?
8 hours per day.
And what time do you start? What time do you start work?
Sorry?
What time do you start to work? What time do you start work? What time it starts?
8 hours.
No, in the morning, what time?
No, it's the evening time. Evening time and the noon time.
Okay, until noon. And for one delivery, how much do you get paid for one delivery?
Distance-based payment are the related.
Yeah.
For 32 taka to 38 taka.
Okay, 32 to 38.
Per order.
Dhaka. Okay, nice. And you ride a bike?
No, bicycle.
Oh, bicycle.
Bicycle.
Is it easy or hard?
Easy, but the season time is the work hard. But rainy season is the most hard.
Rainy season.
Rainy season.
So it's not summer. Summer season is.
Summer season we are the maintain the season
because season.
We enjoy the FoodPanda.
Yes. Very good. And what's your favorite restaurant on FoodPanda?
My favorite restaurant was Magpie Chinese restaurant and Magpie restaurant.
Okay, it's here in Bashindura.
In front of Bosundara Gate.
Okay, that's your favorite one. Okay, thank you for allowing me to talk to you. I appreciate that. Thanks a lot. Enjoy the rest of your day.